Hello and welcome back to my videos. In this video about PHP, I will explain about the predefined variable called server. I will not explain what you can use it for and why it's built in PHP. I will show you step by step why I'm using it. In the first one I will explain about is the server address. You can say echo server IP address, and then we can say server and then server adder. Here we go, and then I will make a breakpoint. This is my server IP address. This will be 10.02.15, and you can use it to, if you have a lot of servers you connect together, and then it's good to know the server IP address. It's and about this using the right network connection and something like that. The next one I will use is the server software. Not the signature, but software. In my case, I use Nginx. If you are new and you're working from the beginning, you probably use Apache, where you have a bundle pack where you install it. I will recommend you to learn Nginx because in my experience I've used both Apache and Nginx, and I recommend Nginx because it's so much easier to work with when you scale with more than only one server. But to the beginning, just leave it and keep with the Apache. And the next one will be the request time. And the request time is the timestamp on the server. You can see here this is the timestamp. I can convert it in PHP and say date. This is the format, so I will say the timestamp. And let's say in Denmark we use day, month, year. And here we go. And let's put hour, minutes and seconds to it. So this is when we have it here in the time. So in Denmark right now we have UTC plus 2, so the timestamp here is not correct. It doesn't matter, it's just to show you what's happened. And the next one you can use is the document root. It's the root where your home folder will be. In my case will be var and vvv. This is where my script is running. And then we can have the user agent. The user agents are using when you need to track your user's browser agent. This will be sent from the header from the user to the server. In my case, I will use Mozilla 5.0 and Apple WebKit and Chrome. So I'm basically running on Chrome right now. And one more should be the script file. Script file name. If you go in here, you can see the full path to the script file name. And the last one, it should be the UL path. And you have it here. So if I'm going up to make a params up here, I can say hello is equal to world. You can't see it, but it's fine, you can see it now. So that's how you're working with the server predefined variables. If you're going for PHP, the documentation, you will see a lot more of this, or you can do like me, just say this one and say print r, and you have it here. So this is all your server variables you can use. You can play around with those and see it's working best for you. Thank you so much for your time, and I hope you enjoy. If you have any questions, please make them below. the comments fields, and of course I hope you want to press on the ding so you can subscribe my channel to get more videos from me. I hope you want to share this video with your friends and put it for your playlist so you don't miss the next video I'm coming up with. And again, thank you for your time and thank you for subscribing. See you next time.